Happy Wednesday. Guess what, you guys? I'm so excited. My Jeep is finally being built. I am so excited. And I know so many of you have been inquiring, like, Liz, we need a Jeep update. What's going on there? And there was a tire shortage and part shortage due to you know what. And it has taken that long just to gather all the parts. So it's in the shop. I've got pictures to show on the build. For those of you who like Jeeps and cars and four-wheeling as much as I do, I think you'll get a kick out of it. So in regards to my Jeep design, I decided to go with a white Jeep with red accents. I like to go big and bold, and I wanted it to be like a showstopper. When people drive by, I wanted people to go, wow, check out that Jeep. That's pretty cool. That's different. I love being different and I love being unique. So, you ready? And they got the 40-inch tires on. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to get on the trails. And when I hit the trail for the first time in my new Jeep, all built up, I can assure you I will take you guys along. It is so much fun. Just the excitement of driving up towards the mountain area and seeing the off-road trail entrance. It's like Disneyland. It's like, here we go. You know, you air down, you disconnect your sway bar. It's just, and then going up and over the boulders. Oh, and it's gonna be fall, you know, with all the fall colors. It's gonna be magnificent. Can you feel the excitement? There is always some form of excitement and adrenaline that gets you each and every ride, whether it be a tree down and it's like, oh my gosh, how are we gonna get through? Sometimes you have to take a chainsaw with you and the tree just to scoot it off to the side so you can get through the trail. Sometimes you just go over the tree if you can. And there's always adventure on the trail because they have Jeep people, they've got ATV, UTV, you name it, it's always on the trail. So it's always an experience. Sometimes, you know, you're going down a little tiny trail and somebody's coming this way. And you're like, oh my gosh, how are we gonna maneuver around them? Through a forest, narrow. So it's always exciting. Other times you see the hard trails and you go to the lookout point and you watch all the people that are doing crazy things in their Jeeps or dune buggies and you're like, oh my gosh, how are they gonna get over that? And they just do like butter, you know, so, and over they go. And you're like, wow, that took some skill. Now, also too, every car needs to be named. I don't care what you drive, name it. I have decided to name my Jeep Avalanche, and I'm gonna have the letters put on the sides. Okay, enough of that. I just had to share my excitement. Next, I'll share some quick video clips of it being built, and yeah, I think they said maybe next week or the week after it will be done. So I can't wait. Okay, let's get get into some decorating. Fall decorating, that is. So today we are working on this beautiful cabinet that I found on Amazon. I absolutely love it. It's green. Green is my favorite color. And yeah, so we're gonna decorate the top of it. We're gonna add a wreath right there. And then above, I've taken the liberty of hanging some leaves with a twig garland, and I intertwined them just to give it a little character. Yeah, to start, we're gonna add some black lamps. We're gonna add some white pieces because this is adjacent to the kitchen and it'll tie in with that. And then we'll add some fall touches. So let's get to it. I am filming this Wednesday morning and we are having quite a storm out there. We've got lots of rain and wind. I don't know if you guys can tell or see the rain coming down, but beautiful morning. It's just gloomy and rainy and windy. I hope the lighting won't be too bad, but we're just gonna work with it. So I don't know about any of you guys, but I love having a plate rack in my kitchen because that allows me to display plates seasonally. So for fall, I can have a beautiful pumpkin plate. You know, for Christmas, you know, throw up some Christmas plates. And yeah, so I think these will be really cute up there. I'm gonna add them to those plates that I got at Hobby Lobby, and these I got on Amazon. I hope you guys can see this. So at Hobby Lobby, I got this twig garland, and all I did was just kind of loop it over the curtain rod. And then I took my fall leaves that I got from Amazon and I just kind of went right over the twigs. And I love the look. It looks more natural. What I'm gonna do next is I have these two white cake pedestals. And what I'm gonna do is add my black lamps from Kirkland's on top of them, just to elevate them because they're smaller in scale, and that's a great tip. So if you have a space where you want it to look a little bit more grand, add pedestals and then place your lamps on top of them because it really does, it elevates them and makes it look bigger and better. Okay, next, my black lamps. By the way, I just love my room over there. When I go and sit in there, we decorated that last week. Those are my little bookshelves in the sunroom. I just think it looks so cozy. Maybe you guys can get a better look because it's so dark in the house, but it really is a cozy space. All right, let's add the lamps. So lately, I've really been into cage lamps with the Edison bulbs. I love Edison bulbs because of the amber color of the lights. So I'm gonna elevate these on each cake pedestal. I wanna show you what I'm talking about. So this is on the cake stand. Now when you put it down, it's too low. It's like, how low can you go? I like to elevate my stuff. Much better. Next, I have a wheat wreath and I'm gonna hang it in the center of the window, about right there. That's what we have so far. We've got the lamps and a wreath and the garland up top. And what can we add below? Next, I have this big rustic wooden black lantern, and to this I'm gonna stick a floral arrangement on the inside of this. Now, I just wanna tell you, with these you have options. I have used this before where I have actually placed a lamp inside, and it's adorable. You can put a wreath down below and then stick a cute little, small scale lamp on the inside, and you have a gorgeous display on any tabletop. You can also take a pumpkin and set this on the inside. I mean, how cute is this? Like, there's so many options when you use a large scale lantern like this. Okay, keep in mind we're adjacent to the kitchen where it's all white cabinets with a big black island. Adding like pops of white, it's gonna coordinate well with the kitchen. But anyway, I have this pretty vase with some like pampas grass or something in it. I love the colors, and I'm gonna set that inside the lantern. Next, I have this cute, it's galvanized steel on the bottom and a wood bowl. And I'm gonna use this to elevate another arrangement. Next, I have this big black pot with some dried florals in it, and I'm gonna set that in the bowl. Next, I have this big, beautiful wooden pumpkin that I got at Home Goods, and I'm just gonna set it right there. So I was gonna leave it just like that, but oh my Lord, I think I'm going back to the more is better again, because I stood back and I looked at this and I'm like, no, it needs more. And I'm like, no, Liz, stop, that's enough. And I'm like, no, I'm going to go to the storage room and get something else. And this is what I got. And some lights. Help! I'm telling you, this is my favorite garland that I've found on Amazon. You know, it looks sparse, but it fluffs up nicely. And if you ever want to make it fuller, you can just intertwine it with some green, like a greenery garland, or maybe even mix it with another one. I don't know if I'm going to do that, but we'll see. This one I got on Amazon too. It's really pretty. I bought it and I have yet to use it. So I was hoping I might be able to use it here, but this ties in with what's up above. So let's see what I do. So I'm stringing it kind of through this. I don't know. Let's see what I do here. Trying to be a little creative. I know what you guys are thinking. Oh, how I love an autumn glow. This would look really cute across from the kitchen, all lit up at night. Yes or no? I know. I should be putting the brakes on, but I can't. It's the holiday season. Fall glow, gotta do it. Now I went and I ran and got more. Stop me, somebody stop me. Another one. There's no brakes on this girl. Now I found this and I thought, let's throw one on each end to kind of make it look like a spilled over kind of look. Should I try this too? Why not? Well, there you have it. Sparkle, glimmer, and glow of fall. I like it. I think it's cute. All right, friends, that will wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I will see you guys on Friday. I am doing another collab, so you're not going to want to miss it. It's a surprise guest. I'll see you then. Mwah!